Hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and today I'm going to show you how you can turn off all these sound effects for LinkedIn. Sometimes LinkedIn notifies you or anything else happens on the side and it gives you a little sound effect. Now you can easily turn this off. I'm going to show you step by step, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is go to linkedin.com, sign into your existing account and go down to the top right corner where your profile picture appears. Use this drop down menu to go down to the settings and privacy tab, and right here you have the account preferences. Now here you go down to the general preferences and here you see the sound effects. Now here you can easily turn them off, as you can see right here, and they will be saved automatically. Now it's easy as that. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me a lot, and thank you for watching.